What's going on, guys? It's GBP baby. Welcome to another video. It's currently 1:24 AM on Tuesday the 21st of November, but we're going to be looking at Monday's price action. Nothing much has happened on the Monday as per usual, so I do encourage you to go and watch yesterday's video where there's a lot more detail on my expectations for the week. But yeah, DXY is moving very weak right now. I'm still expecting a run down into this bullish order block on the monthly, and you can see that yesterday we started to push lower, and I'm expecting us to continue that on the Tuesday as well. So that means that these lows are likely to get taken, and we also have a nice fair value gap residing over here that price may want to draw into. But yeah, nothing much has happened, so there's not really much to speak about. You can just see we've been falling pretty much all day. We've been falling lower, and you can see our price is just slowly getting its way down to here. Right now, it's not the best conditions to be trading in, so to speak. I'm more so waiting for a reaction. Like, I want to see what happens when we do reach this level. Are we going to see a large expansion upwards? I need to see how it reacts to these levels before I start thinking about positioning any trades. But other than that, yeah, you can see we just continue to fall, just as expected. And not until, again, we have some kind of expansion or reversal or consolidation will I be expecting any kind of movement. So really not much to say, guys. Let's just quickly look at GBP. GBP as well, you can see is moving higher. Of course, we're moving towards a swing high. This red box is a weekly fair value gap on GBP that I've had my eyes on, and you can see now we traded through this bullish order block, so I've marked that out knowing that this level is now a bullish order block. You'll see that I've also on the 4 hour marked out the 50% level of this bullish order block that we're literally just trading through now. So the fact that we found support here again suggests higher prices on pound and a nice run up into the fair value gap as expected. Yeah, but again, there's really not much going on. Not much for me to say. I'm just I'm waiting for some kind of hint or some kind of offering for the market for me to say, okay, now we're seeing movement. So likely either tomorrow with the FOMC announcement, or Wednesday is when we're likely going to see some more activity in the markets. But until then, I'm expecting price to just climb up to this level, then create the low, and then I'd like to think we'd have some larger expansion for the Thursday and Friday to the upside. But yeah, again, go watch yesterday's video if you haven't already. I keep saying this, go and watch it, because everything I'm saying in here is pretty much just a repeat of yesterday. Finally, you can see we hit the buy side liquidity on euro, which is nice to see. We've hit that. We're now trading aggressively and strongly into a implied fair value gap. We also have this weekly fair value gap up here. It'd be interesting to see if euro could reach that. Not very sure, but again, it's just a matter of waiting. Like I said, I still don't think I still think we're waiting on some kind of reversal to create the low of the week. So I'm looking out for that tomorrow. I'm looking out for that on Tuesday and Wednesday. I want to see some kind of pullback, retracement. Remember, I had these levels marked out from Sunday's video, but until then, I can imagine price is just going to keep climbing up, tricking lots of retailers into thinking that we're moving higher, until again we have a nice break in market structure to the downside. But yeah, that's going to be everything, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Peace.